Students, now we are starting chapter number 4, determinant. If matrix A is A, B, C, D, then determinant of A is written as, see, this is the sign of two bars. It is not modulus, but it is the sign of determinant. So determinant A is equals to determinant A, B, C, D. We can write it determinant A. Only square matrix have a determinants. Rectangular matrix does not have a determinants. Now how can we find the value of determinants? Yes, we can find the value of determinant. So 2 cross 2. For 2 cross 2, suppose A is A11, A12, A21 and A22, then we have to take cross multiplication of these two. See, this one A11 and A22 is called the principal diagonal, and A21 and A12 is called the subsidiary diagonal. So multiplication of principal diagonal A11 A22 minus multiplication of subsidiary diagonal A21 A12. So this is the value of determinant. Suppose A is 1 minus 2 3 4, then multiplication of 1 and 4 and multiplication of minus 2 and 3. So 4 plus 6, it is 10. So this is the value of determinant. Now how can we find the value of 3 cross 3 determinants? So determinant of order 3. Determinant of order 3 is 3 cross 3 matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 and A31, A32, A33. Now we can find the value of this determinant by using any row or any column. Suppose by using the first row, by using second row, by using third row, but first we are using first row. Then I will teach you how to find the value of determinant using the another rows. So take A11 of first one and cancel the row and column in which A11 lies, means first column and first row. So A11, first column and first row remove. So what is remaining? A22, A23, A32, A33. Take determinant of that. Then take A12 and take minus sign before this. Why? We will discuss it later, but take minus sign before it. Okay, so take A12. So remove the first row and second column. What is remaining? A21, A23, A31, A33. Write it into form of determinant. Then take plus A13. See, first one is plus, second one is minus, third one is plus. First row, element of first row. Okay, so take A13. Remove the row and column. What is remaining? A21, A22, A31, A32. Okay. Then we know how to find the value of the 2 cross 2 determinant, taking cross multiplication of principal and subsidiary diagonal as we have done here. So you can find the value of 3 cross 3 determinants. Now taking example of 3 cross 3 determinants. See, one determinant is given 1 2 3 minus 1 4 5 and 0 minus 3 1. So as I told you, first I am taking first row for the expansion. We can use any of the 3 rows or any of the 3 column for the expansion, but value will be same all the time. So now first time I am taking only first row. Afterwards I teach you how to find the determinant value of determinant by using another row or another column. Okay, so taking first row as the base row. So first row means first row first number, it is 1. So remove first row and first column, put 1 here, first row and first column. So remaining is 4 5 minus 3 1. Now write minus 2, opposite of this second number. So minus 2. So taking this number, this is 2, we have to take minus 2. So remove this What is remaining? Minus 1, 5, 0, 1. Then take last number of the first row, 3 plus 3, minus 1, 4, 0, minus 3. So we have to take whatever the sign is given in this 1 and 3, we have to take. But in this second number, we have to take the opposite. Suppose minus 2 is given, we will take plus 2. Here suppose minus 1 is given, we will take minus 1. 1 is given, we will take 1. Here suppose minus 3 is given, we will take minus 3. But here the sign will always change in second number. Okay, when the expansion is there. So take care about that. Okay, now find the cross multiplication. 4 1s are 4, 5 3s are 15, minus 15, but in between it is negative. So my subtraction, so 4 plus 15. So this you know, cross multiplication. So this way you can find the value of the determinant. Some of the determinants I have given in for the practice. So do the practice. We will discuss your doubts or anything in the next lecture.